Today I'm going to show you a couple of new features in ElumTools 2021, 2020, and 2019. The first is the masking of unwanted calculation points. ElumTools now allows you to easily remove or mask unwanted calculation points from your analysis. Unwanted points are usually underneath or inside objects, obviously throwing off your statistics. In this Revit model, I have a room with some mechanical equipment. Let's use the Add Points command in the usual way to place some calculation points. Notice the new Mask section in the dialog. We can mask objects by selection. This takes us back out to the Revit view, allows us to select the appropriate mechanical equipment. When you're finished, click Finish on the Revit options bar. There we have our mechanical equipment, and you can see the masking. There are two options relative to masking. The category search distance extends perpendicular to the plane of points. This is up and down. You'll probably find the default works well and prevents masking from extending beyond into other levels. The mask offset extends parallel to the point grid and will be more often used. You can use mask offset to expand the boundary around each piece of equipment. Masking technique number 2 is perhaps even easier. We can mask by Revit category. In this case, all objects are members of the mechanical equipment category. We'll just click the Categories button and select Mechanical Equipment. Wow. All the same boundary options apply. The next enhancement I'd like to tell you about is the calculation viewer now remembers its previous state. So if you like a specific viewpoint in your renderings, or if you happen to go up and change the font, perhaps something a little more bold, maybe you even change the font size, and perhaps even the font color, all of these settings will now be saved with the rendered image. Let's check. Bring it back up. There's our settings. Nice. This is actually one of my most favorite enhancements recently. This also applies to things like contours, pseudocolor, and so on. Also even display options. Things like custom color temperature settings, or the ability to look at direct or interreflected light independently. All of these can be saved with the view. Very nice. We hope you enjoy these new ElumTools enhancements.